Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I figured I'd walk you through the spring bonsai garden tour here. It's hectic. We had a heat wave, so everything's kind of crammed into the shade cloths. But let's check it out. Might as well start right here. This is the elm and azalea root over rock that I repotted earlier this year. This is a privet. These are some trident maples. These are some more of the parking lot elms growing in a tiny concrete pot. They're pretty cool little trees. Mimosa forest. This is kind of the nursery down here. This is the boxwood I brought home last year that's not doing well, but it's not dead. That's the Yamadori short-leaf pine. You can see it is budding like crazy. Like crazy. Yep. Over here is a root over rock Chinese elm, a dead Harlan boxwood, some cuttings, wisteria grape, privet. Here's one of the first things I ever planted. It's a elm. My bougainvillea, crabapple, Japanese maple. The pond is in there somewhere. You can see it's out of control. Daylilies growing up around it. But there it is. This is a little honeysuckle root over rock that I've been growing for 3 years. There's a tiny little cutting when I stuck it in here. Here's some bald cypress that the rabbits have been eating. An elm the rabbits have been eating. Azalea. Here's some cuttings that are struggling. That's why they're over here in the nursery area. There's my hop hornbeam. Yamadori, it's doing good. Getting some new buds. Here's my OG silver maple, my concrete pot. Needs water. Some Japanese maple clump that I'm growing. Forsythia, trident maple here. Just want to focus on them. Honeysuckle. It's a pretty cool root on this honeysuckle. These are some hostas I'm growing for my mom. There's a Acer truncatum. Another trident. Lots of Japanese. This is a Japanese maple forest. Some blood goods. Another cool honeysuckle. Boxwood cuttings. A bunch of assorted maples, amers, silvers. What else is crammed in here? I know it's too crowded. Got a dawn redwood that I've been growing from cutting. An ash tree, literati ash tree. More Japanese maples. There's some sugar maples. These sugar maples are actually kind of cool. Took them out of the parking lot of a mall. They were Gonna tear down here in our area. That one's got a cool trunk on it. Yep. Some cuttings. The bane of my existence, a pomegranate. Korean hornbeam. Quince. Another dawn redwood here. It's a beauty. There's a big oak that is struggling back here. He keeps putting out suckers and I keep cutting them back because I don't want it. I want it to bud somewhere on here. It's either gonna bud or die. It's a dead hackberry. There's my root over rock. Honeysuckle. Wish it would focus on it. The sun is just too bright in the background. Kingsville, I'm growing out. Boxwood behind it. Here's a nice Sika Hinoki. Can't really see it anywhere in here. There we go. It's a cool little tree. Nice pot. I like it, pot. Some crabapple root over rock that I've been working on for 3 years. Some Shohin stuff. Big chunky maple. Yeah, some more cuttings. Big giant bald cypress. It's huge. Another Kingsville. Another dawn redwood. Some more Japanese maples. Some sweet gum. There's some big giant dawn redwoods. 2 of them. They're big. This one, and so is that one. There's a honey locust that I'm doing a trunk over rock type deal. Another Kingsville boxwood. Tray of cuttings. Look at that. This pine has grown through the elm leaf. It's funny. There's a slab planting of a couple of Japanese maples that I've had going for 3 years. They're getting huge. Probably the stupidest place to have them growing. Let's walk out in the yard. There's just a ton of Japanese black pine seedlings. Some of them are getting pretty big. Some of these over here, these small ones, are red pines. They're getting pretty big too. A bunch of bald cypress. Red maples. Galore. There's some coast redwoods. Pretty cool planting. Oh, there's another coast redwood. There's a bald cypress forest. Ash tree. You go. Bunch of junipers. seedlings. You. Some of my tropicals. Bunch of ficus. And umbrella plants. This one's a more Bombay fig tree. Really like that one. Fukian teas, the trees that started it. This is where I probably get cuttings. Do it on the ground. Succulents, portulacaria. More cuttings. Basil, dill. More cuttings. 1-year-old juniper cuttings. Hostas. Zelkovas. Pines. More cuttings of juniper. This is an assortment over here. This all needs water. There's a lantana, Shohin lantana I'm growing. Lemon tree. These are the big Yamadoris. They're doing good. This one's getting a lot of fungus on it. These things are huge. Put my foot next to it for perspective. Forests. This is a tree I styled at Bonsai Central. Needs some work. This is the back of it. Here's those red pines. Japanese black pine. Water elm. Doesn't focus. A few more junipers. Mugo pine. And a short leaf pine. Alright, well that's a spring garden update. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to. Doesn't cost anything. And it would help me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I'll see you next time. Thanks.